I will show you how to delete Google search history. Open Google in your Safari. Right-click the top corner to show this. Select Search History. Then click Saving to Web and App Activity. Select Manage All Web. Click Filter by Date and Product. You can set which history date you want to delete, as well as which application. For example here, I want to delete the date June 11th in the Google Translate application. Then click X to delete the history.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.